Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lahari and I have been thinking about natural shampoo lately. There are a lot of problems associated to natural shampoo that can be easily tackled. So I give you SOAPNUT Shampoo. It is a 3-ingredient natural shampoo that can help you solve a lot of problems and is easy to make. So let's get started. Light the gas and place a pot of water on top of it. Wash a handful of soap nuts and put them in water to boil. Replace the soap nuts into cold water after 10 minutes of boiling them. You can find the pulp of the fruit after you peel the skin off. This is the main ingredient for our shampoo. Next, squish out the pulp of the fruit with the help of your hands in water. There are a lot of advantages of soap nuts. Vitamin A, D, E and K are found in the fruit that are known to impart shine to your hair and make it smooth. Since soap nuts are antibacterial in nature, it is a good option to cure bacterial and other scalp infections. Soap nuts are the best for hair growth. Hence, it is used in many natural tonics and solutions. It makes your hair thick and bouncy. Soap nuts also exhibit insecticidal properties that help kill lice on the scalp. Rita is now known to fight various problems affecting the scalp, including dandruff. Soap nuts tame dry and frizzy hair, condition it, and make it more manageable. Soap nuts also detangle your hair so it can be easily styled. The regular usage of Rita or SOAPNUT shampoo can reduce split ends to a great extent. Add the pulpy soapy liquid to the rest of the water. Next, add a cup of flax seeds. This will help you get the consistency of a shampoo. Cook the flax seeds for about 10 to 15 minutes for a thick gel consistency. Do not be fooled by the lather that is formed on the surface. It does not indicate that the gel is formed. You need to constantly check the consistency of the water to find out whether the gel is formed or not. Flax seeds also contribute a lot to your hair. Therefore, the combination of soap nuts and flax seeds are amazing. With the help of a cheesecloth, extract the shampoo. Finally, you get a natural shampoo that is better than a chemical shampoo, lathers well, has a lot of advantages, smells fruity, and is completely safe. You might need more of this shampoo if you generally have an oily scalp or have oiled your hair. Thanks for watching.